I'm here in the store of Popley and Sons, and standing with me is Mr. Rajiv Popley, director of Popley and Sons. Thank you so much for speaking to Bloomberg TV India. Happy Dhanteras, first of all. Tell me, how's the demand looking like this year compared to last year?
Demand is surely positive on the day of Dhanteras. We've seen a slump earlier. We've seen a lot of postponement of purchase which was there in the past few months. But with the end of the season and Diwali coming up, and Dhanteras as the peak day, the demand has surely come up again. So that's how it is.
And what are you expecting for the rest of the day today? Also given that gold prices have gone down, are you expecting a surge in demand?
That's natural. Gold prices going down is always an easy area, to close in your sales, which was postponed earlier. But Dhanteras is an auspicious day, so we open in the morning at 9 and we'll be up for midnight shopping today. So that's how we plan the day. So it'll surely be good.
Do you have a rough estimate in terms of what are the kind of sales you're looking, what are the kind of response you're looking at today?
Figuratively, we look at a growth around 15% to last year at least, in spite of the gold down which has happened. So in spite of the slump, we'll have an appreciation in the quantity that we look at.
Tell me something. Traditionally, gold coins has been something that people prefer buying.
Sure.
Do you see a shift now from purchasing gold coins to ready-made jewelry and also high-end designer jewelry?
Sure. Jewelry is the core aspect for Diwali always. So we've got wedding jewelry which is planned for the wedding being bought in Diwali. We've got smaller items being bought in Diwali. We've got more festive jewelry which is bought in the season. But in case we have customers who don't have a basic planned purchase, that's where they go in for coins.
Okay.
And because it's Lakshmi coming home, it's always an auspicious thing to get a piece of gold home, and that's where coins come into a major part. So that's always going to be a part of the Diwali shopping anyways.